Have you ever searched for a romantic movie or couple video, but ended up wasting hours scrolling through random IPTV channels? Many viewers face this problem every night. The good news is, there are a few IPTV channels that consistently stream romantic content. Today, I will show you the top 10 IPTV channels where you can easily find romantic movies and love stories without frustration. If you love romantic movies, dramas, and couple stories, IPTV can be a great option. But the challenge is choosing the right channels. Many channels show mixed content. Some show outdated movies, others have poor streaming quality. That is why I researched trusted IPTV communities, tech websites, YouTube IPTV tutorials, and real user discussions on Reddit to find the channels people actually use. Let's start. First is Romance TV. This is a European channel fully focused on romantic movies and love stories. It streams romantic dramas, emotional movies, and relationship-themed series. Many IPTV providers include this channel because it has a dedicated romance category. Second is Hallmark Channel. This channel is extremely popular for romantic movies, especially modern love stories and feel-good relationship films. Many IPTV users say Hallmark is one of the best channels for relaxing romantic entertainment. Third is Hallmark Movies and Mysteries. This channel mixes romance with light mystery stories. Couples love it because the movies are emotional, slow-paced, and story-driven. Fourth is Lifetime Channel. Lifetime shows many romantic dramas and relationship-based movies. It is very popular in North America and commonly included in IPTV playlists. Fifth is Star Life. This channel streams romantic TV series and drama content. Many viewers enjoy its relationship-focused shows and emotional storytelling. Sixth is Z Cinema Romantic Block. Z Cinema often schedules romantic movie segments. Many IPTV users watch Bollywood love stories here. Bollywood romance is extremely popular worldwide. Seventh is Sony Max Romantic Movies. Sony Max also streams many classic Bollywood romantic films. These include iconic love stories that many IPTV viewers search for. Eighth is Korean drama channels like KBS World. Korean dramas are famous for romance. Many IPTV users say these channels are perfect for emotional love stories and couple-based dramas. Ninth is Asian Crush. This channel streams Asian romantic films and drama series. It is widely available in many IPTV packages. 10th is Pluto TV Romance category. Some IPTV services integrate Pluto TV streams. Pluto has dedicated romance movie sections that many viewers enjoy. Here is an important tip. The exact channels available depend on your IPTV provider, so always check the channel list before subscribing. Also choose providers with HD streams and stable servers. If you face any difficulty finding these channels on your IPTV service, write your question in the comment section. I personally reply within 1 hour. If this video helped you, please like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to TechVibes for more smart tech guides. Stay connected and enjoy your romantic streaming experience with confidence.